Hi, everybody. We're going to look at how to create a Google Doc and then how to share the Google Doc in a way that it can be viewed by anybody. So simply log into your AU Gmail, which will allow you to go to your Google Drive. You click here when you are in your Gmail, and this will take you right to your drive. You select Drive. To create a Google Doc, all you do is simply go to New, Google Docs, and that will allow you to create a new Google Doc. Now, I will be switching over here to the rubric for our unit plan, and I will show you now how to actually share this document so that it can be viewed by anybody. So I would like you, as I mentioned, to please write your document or your paper in a Google Doc, not in Microsoft Word. Once you have completed and finished your paper and you're ready to submit the paper, I'm asking you to please share it with me via URL, and you will just simply put the URL into the Dropbox. To share it correctly, once you are finished, click the share button here in the upper right corner, and here under the sharing options, actually what you would do is you go to here at the top that will say uh, get shareable link or something along those lines. You'll click on that and it will bring you to this option here. Now make sure when you do this, when you share it with anyone with the link can comment. Sometimes it will come up if you're in your AU Gmail, it will say anyone within Ashland University organization. You do not want that option because somebody who is signed in that is not in an AU account will not be able to view it. So I want to get you into the habit of sharing it in a way that every single person can view it. So make sure you go in and you would go to the more option in that specific instance, and you can go to anyone with the link can view or can comment. I would ask you to please have this as a can comment option. Make that, save that, and now you can notice the option here has switched to anyone with the link can comment because I would like to be able to make comments in there. And go ahead and hit copy link, and from there you are, once that link is copied, you hit done, and then you will just simply paste that link into the the Blackboard Dropbox, and that will be what you submit there. So make sure, again, share, make sure you change those settings so anyone with a link can comment, copy the link itself, and then paste that into the document or whatever it is you upload into Blackboard Dropbox.